Good morning, students. Let's start with the concept of sex ratio. So, what do you mean by sex ratio? It is an actual count of female and male percentage in a given population is known as your sex ratio. For example, 60% of the population is female and 40% of population is male. So, this is called as your sex ratio. It actually counts how many males and females are present in a given population. So this that is known as your sex ratio. Now the second concept is your age pyramid. So what do you mean by age pyramid? It is a structure obtained when the age distribution, that is a percentage individual of a given age or an age group, is plot for the population. So it actually count the age or age group of a given population. Now as you know, in human population, the individual may be of 5 years of age or maybe of 25-year or age or maybe above 40 years of age. So for the human population, the age distribution is divided into three parts, that is your pre-reproductive, reproductive and post-reproductive. Now pre-reproductive belongs from individual which is an age group of 1 to 15 years of age, whereas reproductive is a group belongs from individual of an age group 25 to around 40 years of age, and post reproductive is a age groups belongs from an individual of an age group above your 40 years of age. So for the human population, age pyramid is divided into three parts, that is your pre reproductive, reproductive and your post reproductive. Okay, so for the human population, age pyramid is generally shows an age distribution of a male and female in a combined diagram. So according to the age pyramid of an human population, there is three types of your age pyramid, that is your expanding, in which population is of growing stage, whereas stable, in which growth rate and death rate are almost same, whereas in a decline stage the population has a higher death rate and has a low birth rate. So expanding, stable and declining are the three types of age groups has been age pyramid has been found out in human population. Now what do you mean by population size and population density? So it is a number of individual of a species per unit area or a volume. For example, population density of Siberian crane at Bharatpur wetland in any year is less than 10. It is in millions for Chelmedonus in a pond. So for this bacteria, it is in a million form, whereas Siberian cranes has a population less than 10 in a year. So this is known as your population size or population density. It actually measure the number of individual of a species per unit area or your volume. So it is a number of individual of a species per unit area or a volume. For example, population density of the Siberian crane at Bharatpur wetland if any area is less than 10, whereas it is million for Chelmedonus in a your pond. Now population size is also measure in a percentage cover or a biomass. For example, in a area 200 Panathium plants and a huge banyan tree are seen. In such case, measuring a percentage cover or a biomass is meaningful to show an importance of banyan tree. So sometimes population size or density may be measured in terms of percentage. Now total number is a difficult measure for a huge population, as you know. So, in such case, relative population density, that is, without knowing an absolute population density, is used. So, in that time when the population count is not possible, at that time, relative population density concepts are used. Means, without knowing an absolute population density means without knowing an population density, at that time we measure the relative population density. For example, the number of fish catch per trip indicates its total population density in a lake. So the number of fish catch per traps is an actual population density in that your lakes. In some case, indirect estimation of the population size is performed. For example, tiger census in a national park and a tiger reserves based on pub mark or a fecal your pallets. So this is your population size and or your population density. In next lecture we are going to start with population growth. Thank you.